bersyukur nak Khlem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Voice of the People Party menta kena phai sngi jong ka arpu etrik ujleo arajar arpu lai kala Pynbna ya Kyrtong uban ya khunya ke election MP House nem uban 1 kata yu Dr. Ricky AJ Syngkon boun long Kyrtong na ka party VPP. Kajing Pynbna kloi ka party Kyrtong banyak hun kalong bakan yu ban trai khamba badru ban penjanai bha ya ka kam. Haba kelipat halor gajing bem yo tiket uba Mayborn lingdo banyak hun ke election MP u Dr. Kara Chen Vice President ka Voice of the People Party ulaong bakum ka seng ka Khlem yo shithi no ba Mayborn henrei ki waipat kila ai de ka jingtho bakikwa banyak hun ke election MP.
Voice of the People Party ni yang sobhai ki members yang press ki bawan ban kawai gini ka press conference yung but ka jingtu jongi ni ka por ni ka purpose kalong ban Pynbna ya candidate MP jongi naman ta ka election parliamentary election kan ban long 2024 te ka bedi bagani ka party jongi ka state election committee kala kendu ka khandu trik jong nu banai but adin ka ba ngilaya perkap sani ba melin meya keren shibun tingila ka kami kawai karai ba ngin nominate ya i Dr. Ricky R.J. Syngkon Ricky A.J. Syngkon panlong u candidate jong ka Voice of the People Party naman ta ka parliamentary election ka panlong 2024 kata kadai ka purpose jingi mentaban Pynbna ba Syngkon udah founder member juga VPP, udah general secretary juga party. Tengok juga por udah beriu ba, biang dengan nanti star udah naikkan ya ke school ba ane ho. Tengok ke party, you know he's the right person kan. Lagi injit you founder member juga party tu yang injit. Yang happen injit you try juga party bolong founder member ba general secretary juga party ho.
What about the application? Baik isu kamar di Pynbna apa ba ni hanukom di isu jet baik tentu ni kadang ga proses di application ni.
Kelaban ki application bentan just now I told you bagai don ki application ki don ki bala ki bala ya kendu ya president lu individually untuk personally of the Voice of the People Party. So we feel that he's the right person to represent to contest from our party. We will contest the election on our own. And we will not seek support of any political party. No, we will not seek any support from any political party. We will contest on our own.
And the reason for this decision not to seek the support of other political parties?
Because we want to depend on ourselves, depend on the support of the people. We don't need the support of anyone. And like what is happening now also, like in the previous election also, we have contest on our own. We have not aligned with any political party. So which is why we feel, even for this parliamentary election also, we will contest on our own without the support of any political party.
So what will be the main issues that the VPP is going to the people to seek their mandate for this upcoming MP election?
Well, there are a number of issues, and one of the most important issues is the reservation policy. That is one, and then there are other issues also, which we feel like if the people elect our candidate to the Lok Sabha, we feel that we'll be in a position to air our views in the floor of the House. Especially like issues like the ILP and other issues which are important for the state of Meghalaya.
So what was the criteria of recommending Syngkon's name? Because usually the process is that you invite applications, but not like this. So what was the criteria?
We have received a number of applications, and there are some also who met our president, our party president personally, to convey their willingness to contest the election for the parliamentary election. Okay, so there are two applicants who have applied for to contest, the election from our party. One of them is Dr. Bahunlang Tron. He is an assistant professor in the PGT college. And then another one is a professor in the Northeastern Hill University, Professor Lakhon Kama. These are the two applications that the party received. And then there are others also who came personally to meet the president on this issue.
Tiket ikadai inu baik kalau parti kam ai tiket ini.
Everybody berkata ni nakalian jongi Khlem yo ai nama kita di bala mut kala ikut tu president. Bat kita nu nak pedeng jongi di bala ai diki jingtho di application makin kuat ban contest ini ka MP election.
Atau pinsau bagai lagi Pynbna Kyrtong untuk mentah kadang ploy kan ni ka kekambian
orang mentandai ke jingtu ni kalau mila nak lang yo banyak cakap kan. Dai ni bentuk lupa ke kamsuk ini begin ya denti ni begin election.
Do you sinjam no pipat umuseng wedi berka MDC election ya?
Ai kata hang ni iwan syatang bentak ke parliamentary election ke MDC election ngintang ya ngintang ikren kanang don ka proses bintang select iki candidate adu bentak kam di MDC pat rai ni go. We wait for the government to at least the government has announced the constitution of a search committee to constitute that expert committee. So we wait for the government. We have to wait for some time. The factor is very difficult, to say whether a particular candidate will win. Okay, what we feel is that once he contests from the party, okay, then he will win. That is what we feel. If he contests for the party, then there's a chance, that he will win the election. That is what we feel. It does not depend because it's not only depend on the candidate. The party also plays an important role.